This Corning Cable Systems cable is their FREEDM 1 type buffered construction with a Plenum rating. You have 6 strands of fiber and is a 62.5 multi-mode. The Corning Cable System FREEDM 1 cables are flame retardant, UV resistant. The indoor-outdoor cables are designed for aerial, duct, and direct buried application with no need for a transition splice when entering the building. Features water blocking technology for outside plant outdoor applications. The small diameter and bend radius allows for easy installation in space-constrained areas. The fibers are color-coded for quick and easy identification. The all-dielectric construction requires no grounding or bonding. For a detailed spec sheet and to order online, visit discountlowvoltage.com.